may access ka sa mga mentors within GennyStar. Kumbaga, yung mga malalaking pangalan sa GennyStar could help you out in here. And SmartR has residential loans for first-time buyers. We have buy-to-let mortgages, right to buy. So everything that you need to get for a lender, we got in here. And ayun, at least it's here if you wanted to explore it in the future. And these are just the problems facing families today. So inadequate protection, one of the meaning of that is that yung, kumbaga, let's say merong policy si client 100,000 lang, tapos may mortgage pala silang mag-asawa na 300,000 pounds. So what would normally happen pag nakuha na ng asawa yung 100,000 nung namatay, of course, partially nun is babayaran nyo yung natitirang utang sa mortgage. But then, it would not be enough kasi nga 100 lang yung covered nung namatay. Siyempre, may iwan pang let's say 200, kulang-kulang, or let's say 150. Ang magsasuffer na magbayad nun on his own would be the husband. And it would be a burden, diba? Kumbaga, that's what inadequate protection means. And mismatch cover for needs. So, I am here to differentiate na magkaiba ang mga pinoprovide namin sa ibang insurance. So, kumbaga, them against Vitality. Kasi all of them are offering traditional or conventional way, which is covering critical illness. And in Vitality, we are the only one provider here na nagpo-provide ng serious illness cover. And I'll explain further later on ano yung difference nila. And uncertainty about types of cover. So there are different terms that you might wanna understand and be educated para at the end of the day, even if hindi ka kumuha, you are aware of the terms when it comes to insurance. And I'm really happy to share yung mga ganitong terms kasi for me, mas madali siyang maintindihan and i-share kasi I worked for 5 years in BPO sa Pinas, and 4 years doon, I was working for insurance companies pero sa call center. So 2 years akong nag-work sa MOA for a Florida based account na healthcare insurance. I was also a claims manager for that. And then 2 years din ako nag-work sa BGC. I was a claims manager for the biggest insurance company for Australia na naka-in-house katabi ng St. Luke's sa BGC. And that time, I learned a lot. And I think I already had those thoughts na baka hindi na ako makabalik ng nursing kasi nag-stop ako, that's why I was already working. And then those times, I was enjoying my money, and at the same time, I felt so proud na I know something about insurance and ako ang nagpo-process ng mga claims. Ako ang taga-approve, ako ang taga-kausap sa claimant kung anong kailangan kong documents para bigyan ko sila ng reimbursement, ganun. So, kumbaga, I was happy doing that. And then ngayon, binalik ako ni Lord na gawin tong, kumbaga, line of business na to. And I'm so happy I can still use what I know in the past. That's why it's easy for me to explain everything. And ayun, it's working out for me. So yeah, I'm happy to share what I know sa mga naging clients or mga business partners ko. So actually, what I do here is that I'm happy to present whenever there's a new recruit. I'm happy to present in behalf of them, but at least they would directly get the commission. And it's been happening. I've got like 3 recruits since September na talaga nagwo-work sila sa business nila and kumita na sila ng mga commission. Maliit lang sa una, pero kumbaga lalaki din basta mag-widen lang yung business mo. And then another problem would be having no protection at all. So these are actually what we call na mga walking disasters, sabi ng mentor ko, kasi syempre kumbaga kapag walang insurance and then something happens, we don't know if that person has even secured a wills and trust para kung ano man yung property niya or pera niya sa bangko is mapunta sa family. And so yung mga yon, ina-advocate natin na it's really, kumbaga, it's a must, it's a need for everyone to get a protection. And this is just an illustration showing na mas makakaipon daw tayo ng malaki kung nagtatabi tayo ng 25 to 75,000 every year. I know it might be funny na ma-achieve ba natin yan, pero some people can do that kasi nga ang laki ng kinikita nila, and they're not even employees. So mind you, if you are in this kind of business, hindi ka masyadong natataksan kasi iba yung 20%, 40% kapag nag-work ka as an employee kaysa kapag nag-work ka sa business or kumbaga corporate. Kasi dito sa ginagawa namin is that for the first 4 years, walang tax itong ginagawa ko na to. And after 4 years, saka pa lang mag-start ng tax. And for sure, that time, kung talaga nag-work hard ka, palaki na yung kinikita mo. So, my mentors, they have hired, each of them have hired an accountant. So, they would always get all the receipts, tinatabi nila. Kasi at the end of the year, ibibigay nila sa accountant. And then that accountant, ibabawas niya lahat ng gastos sa kita, tapos yun na yung tataksan, kumbaga. So, ganun siya. In short, mas maliit pa din yung tax nila, kahit na malaki yung nakukuha nilang pera. And in here, in this illustration, is just explaining to you na goose ang dapat na pinoprotektahan